Hello everyone! For today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how to accomplish the Individual Performance Commitment and Review Form, or the Ipcrf Part 1 to 4 of the school year 2021-2022. So I will send you the link of this Excel file format. So once you receive, you open and then you download. Again, download the file. So at the bottom part left of your monitor, you will see the downloaded file Ipcrf SY 2021-2022. You have to double click it to open. Double click to open. Once you open the downloaded file, you have to enable editing. Again, enable editing. Okay, so you will see so many tabs. There is a red tab, there are green tabs, and blue tabs. Okay, so don't be confused. The first, the first tab that you have to open is the red one, which is read this. Open the red one. For you to accomplish this IPCRF, you have to read all the reminders from top to bottom. Okay? So, again, read. For the overview, proficient teachers who are teachers 1 to 3 will accomplish the green colored sheet tab, while the highly proficient teacher or master teachers 1 to 3 will accomplish the blue colored sheet tab. Okay, again, read, scroll down, read, and then once you are done reading and you comprehended everything, you may begin. For proficient teachers, begin by clicking this green tab, while for master teachers or the highly proficient teachers, you may begin by clicking this blue tab. As for me, I am a proficient teacher, so I will begin by clicking this green one. So as you can see, once you click the green tab, you will proceed automatically dito sa ating encoding sheet for proficient teacher. Automatically nag-open siya. So, the first thing that you have to do is to accomplish the upper part portion of this form. You will be using all caps lock letters. So, ganun din po sa ating master teachers or highly proficient teachers. Same lang din po. Once you click this for highly proficient teachers, doon po kayo magpo-proceed sa encoding sheet for highly proficient. So let's go back. Again, accomplish this by using all caps letters. The name of the rater, of course, is your department head. For the date of review, we don't have the final date for this, so we can go back before printing the form for this portion. Basically, you can accomplish this IPCRF by using the COT1 and the COT2. But for this year's IPCRF, meron tayong kaunting kaibahan. For objectives 7 to 10, as you can see, merong options set A and set B. I will explain this further later. Let's have first the recall of the class and the objectives. Okay, you can go to this tab, IPCRF Part 1 Proficient. Okay, this is just a recall. So, ito yung mga class natin. Okay? And here are the objectives. So, ang ating scoring system will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang performance indicators natin, nakalagay na dyan. So, it's up to you how you are going to grade yourself based from these performance indicators. For objectives 1 to 6, the basis would be your COT1 and COT2. Again, this is just an example po. Okay, for objective 7, if your supplementary material is available, you can have your rating from that supplementary material. But as for me, ang available ko ay rating ng COT. So, yung rating ng COT ang gagamitin ko. Same with objective 8. Again, ang available sa akin and evidence ko ay ang aking COT, so I will input my rating from the COT. Same with objective 9. You will be asking, Ma'am Joy, ano po yung TRF? This is Teacher's Reflection Form. Kung hindi available, don't worry, meron ka namang COT as your basis for the rating. Same as this one for COT2. Again, input your rating. Sabi nyo kanina ang ating scoring system. Let's go back here. Ang scoring system ay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bakit po dito sa encoding sheet ay ang inilagay ninyo ay yung mismong rating sa COT? Kasi po, dito po sa ating RPMS 5-point scale, automatically siya ay nag-convert na sa ating scoring system. So as you can see, ang 7, nag-convert na siya sa score na 5. Ang 6, nag-convert na siya sa score na 4. So again, rating mismo ng ating COT ang ilalagay natin dito. Okay po? Sa ating objective 2, for objective number 2, you will rate yourself based on the quality. So nandito ang performance indicators. Are you 5 outstanding, 4 satisfactory, 3 satisfactory, 2 unsatisfactory, or 1 poor? Kayo na po ang bahala kung paano nyo i-grade ang sarili nyo sa objective number 2. Again, the scoring system is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same as objectives 11 to 19. So let's go back to Ipcrf Part 1 Proficient. Paano ba natin mamarkahan? So again, you just have to read the performance indicators and grade yourself from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Depende po sa evidences na kaya nyong i-provide or the MOV. Again, this is just an example po. Okay. So, as you can see, lahat ng kailangang input na ilagay na natin. Ano? Pero Ma'am Joy, bakit wala pa rin tayong final rating and adjectival rating? Bakit kaya po? Let's see. Basahin natin ang reminder dito. Delete content of column K, column N, column O, corresponding to the set that you did not use. So again, we have to delete all the formula na hindi natin nagamit. So let's delete, 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 delete. Yan. So, deleted na ang column K, column N, and column O. Let's see. Ayun. So, we have the score here already. It's 4.400. Very satisfactory. Okay? And don't forget to input the name of the approving authority, none other than our dear principal, Mrs. Ida C. Gutierrez. So as you can see, automatically nagkaroon na ng input ang ating Ipcrf Part 1. Okay? Just disregard this date of review ha, because actually, wala naman tayong date of review pa. We will go back to this one. And then, we have our rating. Very satisfactory, 4.400. Siya po ay tally dito sa ating encoding sheet. Okay? So, 4.400, very satisfactory, same as part 1. Okay? So, again, we're done with part 1. Let's go to part 2. For you to be able to grade yourself, you have to read all the competencies. Ilan ba o alin ba ang nai-demonstrate mo na competencies all throughout the school year 2021-2022. For self-management, alin at ilan ba dito ang nai-demonstrate ko na core behavioral competencies? For example, nai-demonstrate ko ang number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 5. So, ilan yon? 4 competencies. So, I will grade myself 4. Professional ethics, I demonstrated number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So, I demonstrated 4 competencies. So, that is all for Ipcrf Part 2. We're done. Ipcrf Part 3. So, as you can see, automatic na rin nagkaroon ng input itong ating Part 3. Pero Ma'am Joy, bakit po magkaiba ang final rating at ang ating adjectival rating? Kasi may explanation po dyan. 4. Objectives 7 to 10. Manually type the colored cells. The quality ratings from the set A or B used. You have to see Ipcrf Part 1. Okay, let's go back to Ipcrf Part 1. Alin po ba ang wala pang grade? Objectives 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, let's go back to Ipcrf Part 1. Ito po yun. So, let's check. Ano ba ang grade ko sa Objective 7? Yun. For Objective 7, ang grade ko ay 5. Objective 8, 5. Objective 9, 4, and 10 is 5. Again, balik na tayo sa Ipcrf Part 3. Again, that would be 5, 5, 4, 5. Tali na tayo. Okay? So, we're done with IPCRF Part 3. So, for IPCRF Part 4, you need to encode your developmental plans based on your action plan. So I think that's all for today's video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something that would help you to accomplish your IPCRF. Once you're done, you can print all the tabs. Again, ang ginawa natin sa proficient teachers ay same rin lang sa gagawin ng ating mga highly proficient teachers na ang gagamitin naman ay ang kanilang blue tab. Okay? That's all for today. I am Ma'am Joy Torio, your school CERT coordinator. Goodbye!